Okay guys, I got a 2004 Toyota Sienna here. It's got the 3.3 liter all-wheel drive. We're going to do video showing you how to do the rotors here, to change the rotors. I'm going to show how to do the brakes too. I'll do that on a separate video on the other side. We'll do the rotors on this side. If you need that video, click on my name underneath this video for how to change the brakes. But for this one, let's specifically do rotors, make them a little shorter for you in case you only need the one. Let's start off by getting the tire off. I have it in the air already. Okay, so we got the tire off. Now we're going to go right back behind here. Now here's the front face of the caliper. This piece here is going to be the rear. We're going to go with the rear and just take it all off one shot. So this 17 millimeter right here, and there's one right below it. Let's pull those two 17s off, and we'll rock the caliper with brake shoes off. Okay, got the two 17s off. Now we can pull the whole brake assembly here with the caliper off. Now, sometimes these like to stick up against it, they're rusted. If that's the case, that's what the hammer's for. Just tap it right in this area here and she'll jar right loose. So there's the rotor. Well, that was pretty easy. Oh, there's the issue. That's the grinding we heard. Not going to worry about turning these because they're really inexpensive. This one, I don't know if it's got enough meat on it or not. Sometimes you can get them turned. In this case, it looks like it's pretty close, but we got them as a brake kit, so we're changing both rotors as well. Let's get the new rotor. Okay, here's our rotor, 31266. There she is. Let's get this bad boy put on. Now we're just going to reverse the process. In this case, I am going to throw a set of brakes on there. Again, if you need the brakes, click on my name underneath here. I'll show you how to do it. I'm going to make a separate video on the other side, just in case anybody's doing it separately. I think you get that. So let's get the rotor on. Okay, we got the two 17s back on there. Let's get that tire on. Okay, so now remember, I'm going to have the other video with the brakes on the other side, and I'll show you how to do that without bleeding the system. In this case, you didn't need to bleed it because we put the regular shoes, the same shoes, back on the rotor, right? I put new shoes on it, but I didn't want to show it on this video. I think you understand that. So let's get to the other video if you need the brakes, and that's it. Tires back on, you're good to go here. So please do me a favor, please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos, including that brake job. As always, guys, enjoy.